You have a package. This is from Eden's Rose Coal.
So as we all know, this is going to be the invoice, right? And no, I'm not going to open it up. But yeah, this should be the invoice.
There are 9 different beautiful designer nail foils that came in this packet. Chanel holographic on black. This is very attractive. Black Louis Vuitton on clear. Tan Louis Vuitton on clear. Silver metallic Louis Vuitton on black. Tan on brown Dior. Gold metallic Louis Vuitton on brown. Gold metallic Gucci on clear. Silver metallic Chanel on brown. Brown Gucci on clear. There are 10 different colored Louis Vuitton nail foils in this container. I really like her brand stickers on each package. The Roses brand brings something to my mind. Would you guys like me to tell you a little secret about my sister? Okay. But don't tell her I told you. Got it? Growing up, my sister's middle name was Rose. So our mother always bought things for her in that theme. She bought blouses and t-shirts with roses. She bought blue jeans and decoration with roses. She bought sleepwear with roses. And even after my sister moved on her own, she bought household decoration with roses and even bedding with roses. Well, I can't remember what she needed it for, but one day she had to use her birth certificate, and to my sister's surprise, there was no middle name. Our mother had her thinking all these years that her middle name was Rose, and kept getting her all these rosy things, but my sister wasn't upset. She admitted she was really glad her middle name wasn't Rose. She just didn't think it fitted the order of her name, but she still liked roses to this day.
He's so silly for that one. But actually, it's a true story. She did have me thinking that my middle name was Rose. Wow, I had like rose sandals and just like rose everything. Do you guys remember when bedding had like nothing but flowers at one time, even the sofas and stuff? This woman had me dripped in roses, okay? But anyway, so let's go through this package. And you know what? I am so glad and so excited to receive this package. Not only that, let me say this. I am so happy for this nail tube sister of mine. She was one of the ladies that did the recent collab just before this, the Finally Fall collab. And I would like for you guys to visit her channel, Addicted to Pink Nails. And let me tell you, the packaging came pink, all the way pink, okay? The cutest, just the cutest. And 2 is not spelled out, it's the number. I'll have it on my screen. And her website is Eden's Rose Co. So I will also have that on my screen as well as my description box. So show her some support, guys. Visit her channel, subscribe to her channel, let her know that I sent you there by love, okay? So I wanted to make sure that I showed these colors. And yes, I said before, I am a Louis Vuitton fanatic. I've been since my late teens. I love Louis Vuitton. So let's just take a look at these colors. This is like a aqua blue. Let me move the box out of the way so you could get an idea. And I tried to change backgrounds yet again so you guys could kind of see, but hold on. Let me do it like this. I think this will be better. So let me just throw this down and put the box on top. So there we go. So this is like an aqua blue, right? Isn't that pretty? You know, I never thought to do, especially Louis Vuitton, that being like my signature thing. I never thought to do it in other colors, but I'm getting with it now, okay? I'm getting with it. Look at this lime green. I'm trying to reflect it away from the lights. Lime green. That's pretty. You know what? I just thought about it. I have like that. What is it? Lemon zest or something like that. One of those sparkly colors from Not Polish. I wonder if that'll match. That might have to be a set, guys. Then there's red. That would definitely be a Supreme set, right? This is cute. Pink. Well, fuchsia pink. That's cute. It's a cute color. And wow, let me tell you, you ain't gonna see this much. Now I gotta change backgrounds again, right? What do I have? Hold tight. Okay, so I found something. So yeah, white. I already have an idea for this one. There's my voice squeaking. And I can't wait. I got so much to do. It'll be a little bit before I get to it, but I definitely have a design for this one. So move that out the way. This mustard yellow, yes. Oh, I may have to use the dark sheet for that one too. Hold on. Let me bring it back righteously. Okay, mustard yellow. And here's another lighter color, so I might as well keep this sheet right here. And that's yellow, like a lemon yellow. I hope it's showing up well enough. I know the reflections from the light, but if I move my lights, then I have to spend time repositioning it again. I think I mentioned the other day that I'm having a hard time, especially if I'm doing anything by evening or night. And I don't want to have to configure where it needs to be again. So, I'm sorry. Purple. So many cute colors. Orange. Orange, guys. Oh, this is so cute. I might have to wear Louis Vuitton nails like forever and forever. And black. They're all cute. Don't you think? Okay, so then the next thing that I got is I got some glitters. I'm gonna leave this here because I think the glitters... See, even this packaging is pink. So cute. I know I just did a Finally Fall collab, but I didn't have any leaves, and I wasn't planning on using any anyway. I liked what I came up with. So... but I still ordered them because everybody got these. Everybody got them. Oh, I love them. You know what? I'm going to take them out for you guys to see. Okay, guys. So these first ones were the gold holographic. There you go. I'm trying to turn them in the light for you. Come into the light. And they turn from like a orange hollow to a gold to a slight touch of green. They're so pretty. So that's those. Okay, guys, and then these are a mixture of the ones you just saw with the other red tone colors in it. That is beautiful. There's like the hexagon or not hexagon, octagon shape large glitters, and then there's fine glitters. This is so dimensional and so beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And then And then there are these. Now I do have some gold Louis Vuitton glitters. They're gold, but this one I want it because not only are they rose gold, look at the holograph in them. Ooh, wee. That is so beautiful. And then finally I got see here, open. Everybody feels like it feels like Christmas to everyone when we're opening these packages. It's just so fun to open them, right? See, and look at the pink. Her stuff is just too cute, too cute. And this is a round shaped crystal beauty engraved cut crystal jar. This is actually a dampen dish, guys. I don't have a lot of room, so I'm just gonna kind of open the box off camera. And so here it is. Oh my gosh! Oh, Sade, let me tell you something. The pictures don't do it justice. Oh, so cute! Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I like it so much. And you know what? You guys can't see it, and I'm so feeling bad that you can't, because what's happening is the holographic color that is in the bottom of the dish, you can see it. I'm looking in the camera. You could see it a little bit on the outside, but in most of the cuts through here, it kind of glistens through. The colors shine through, even through the little knob there. That is too cute. Let me see if I can turn it. No, see, because then it's not getting light. Well, you can you can kind of see it through the bottom, I guess. But that is just too beautiful. I love it. And this is how I ended my first video on YouTube ever, when I did my Amazon haul. And I was just like in so much awe of the crystal, you know, the nail display thing that people hold in their hands when they're taking pictures. Isn't it just beautiful? I just had to make that like the last grandstand of the video. So I'm going to end this one this way too. Oh my gosh, I love it. You just have to have beautiful things when you're doing this type of stuff. It just feels so good, right? It makes us forget about all the troubles that are going on around us, all the tensions and all the stress, and it just brings a little joy to our day, right? Now guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, because if you did, remember to hit the like button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to visit my girl, okay? Go to her YouTube channel and go to her website and check out the things that she has. Oh, and don't forget to hit the nailification button. I'm saying things so out of order because I am so excited and so happy about this package, and so happy to support her. So I'm gonna end it right here because I'm just blabbering, and I love you guys. See you in the next video.